I'm Lisa Kimball, the Senior Vice President for Product Development in Global Open Banking for Finicity, a MasterCard company. I'm excited to talk today about the way that open banking is making loan servicing more efficient and seamless. Loan servicing isn't a new use case for open data sharing, but it definitely continues to mature. When you think about it, utilizing open banking technology minimizes risk, reduces friction, and speeds up services to consumers and small businesses. One of the ideas I find most exciting is the opportunity for an end user to leverage account permission granted during an underwriting process to then streamline and expedite repayment processes. So think about this as someone providing income verification to qualify for a loan, and then being able to connect those same accounts for repayment without having to follow a secondary separate flow. So it truly streamlines the experience for end users while keeping them in absolute control of how their data is being used. And at the same time, it provides servicers with an opportunity for additional insight into the health of their portfolio and creates an opportunity to reward their borrowers that continue to demonstrate strong financial health. Yeah, again, just thinking about what the process looks like for end users. Remember when we would fax in a voided check in order to set up an ACH payment? So, that for an end user means I've got to go find a paper check, which, by the way, isn't that hard to get a hold of if somebody else wants to set up an ACH payment using that routing and account number. And then I have to send it in and again, wait for that to get validated. So with open banking tools, that allows us to connect, validate, and permission account-to-account payments in minutes and make a very secure but streamlined experience and allow the end user to transact. Essentially, we're all looking to transact right here, right now, right? I don't want to do part of the process today and come back in and finish it tomorrow. So the open banking tools that exist now really allow for much more of a real-time, efficient way for users to facilitate payment processing. It also offers alternative methods of payment processing. So if I want to do something quick and easy, I can choose to do that via my credit card, or I can quickly and easily set something up from a bank account using the ACH solution. It's really critical at MasterCard that we are facilitating and ensuring safe and secure choices. But again, want to make sure that we are providing a variety of choices. So open banking solutions in this space really provide a lot of confidence about the safety and validation that exists with these authenticated accounts. And at the same time, keeps that borrower and end user experience really seamless and streamlined. Yeah, this is a really fun space to think about what we might see, and things are actually evolving very rapidly, and continue to provide some surprises, and then some areas that aren't that surprising. So I do think we'll continue to see consumers and borrowers demanding experiences that look like experiences they have in other facets of their life. So that means it's easy. I can do it from where I am and when I feel like it. And that, there's a very streamlined way for me to transact, have understanding of what I've permissioned and be able to extend or revoke real time, and just have a very smooth, easy to understand experience. So I think that will continue to be a demand that end users place. I also think that we'll continue to see some regulatory movement in this area. There's been a lot of attention in recent years, I think very rightly so. And in the US, we've adopted a model that is less standardized and regulatory driven and is more industry driven, which I think provides us some interesting opportunity to drive to creative solutions. But ultimately, the trends that we see globally are true in North America as well as around the world. And that really is centered on the need for very easy to use, clear and understandable methods that allow for secure, safe, accurate financial transactions.